Hey guys, Lelouch Gamer here. Decided to try my luck on some Duelist packs. So I have two more Jesse, two Yuseis, two Asters, two of Jaden 2, and two of Jaden 3. So let's start with Jesse. Ancient City Rainbow Ruins. You guys need some, just let me know. I've got like 15 of them now. Crystal Release. Yay. Card I've actually been looking for. And that's it for the Jesse packs. Next we're going to go on to Yusei. The first one. Oh, ultra rare tuning wear. It's not too shabby. And a basic rare Nitro Warrior. Turbo Warrior. Next we're going to go on to Asters. Not too bad. Elemental Hero Shining Phoenix Enforcer. So far 3 for 3. 3 foils, 3 non-foils. Decounter. So another 2 supers. So that's not too bad. Now on to Yusei 2. Got a basic rare Wild Edge. And another Wild Edge. It seemed like these packs were completely identical. Now for the Jaden 3s. Another Neospatian Grammel. Basic rare Elemental Hero Captain Gold. So altogether got 11 rares out of 10 packs, so it's not too shabby, 4 of which were foily. The Crystal Release, the Elemental Hero Shining Phoenix Enforcer Tuning Wear, and Decounter. And then for the basic rares we have Elemental Hero Captain Gold, Neospatian Grammel, 2 Wild Edges, Turbo Warrior, Nitro Warrior, and another Ancient City Rainbow Ruins. Thanks for checking out my video, and please subscribe if you have not yet already to check out more pack openings as well as deck profiles and topics currently involving the game. Thanks and have a good night.